Hello again, this is Scott, and today I'm going to talk to you about a little tabletop tripod I just purchased. A company called Pergear. Hopefully you can read it there. It's very lightweight, small. Its function is impeccable as far as I'm concerned. Essentially, as is, like right now, folded. You can take this, screw it into your camera, whatever, gimbal, whatever, and you can use it like a handle. So that's a great feature. Essentially, it works by expanding out, and there has been some talk. If you go to a place like Amazon, look at the reviews, you'll see some people complaining about it. The problem seems to be that as you screw this on and unscrew it, that this bolt, which is not only the bolt that holds the whole tripod together and gives it friction, is also the bolt that goes into your camera or whatever accessory you're putting on it. So I think sometimes it tends to loosen up. Now they do give you a little wrench, so you can go in and tighten that up. We could argue endlessly on whether you should have to do that or not, but this is a sub $10 product, and I think that's a small price to pay. Now, alternately, I tend to use Arca Swiss style plates, and so what I do is I take a Arca clamp, this clamp in particular, which I will put a link to, and I attach that to my tripod, and I try to get it even and straight. Okay, so there I go. I have that on my tripod now. Whoops. Okay, I have that on my tripod now, and let me go ahead and lower this so I can show it to you down here. So here I have it on the ground. I don't have it all the way down, and here, like I said, you can sit there and go in and kind of adjust the legs. It's easiest if you try to adjust one leg at a time. The nice thing is they all have rubber on the bottom, and no matter at what angle this is to the ground, that rubber is going to touch it. So essentially, if you want to, you could put your camera directly onto it, and then as far as leveling, you could go in and then adjust. And what I would do is I adjust each leg individually and kind of press down on the other legs when I'm doing it to get my control. Now obviously the higher up you have it, the potentially less stable it would be, but it's still pretty stable, so it all depends on what you're putting on it. But at its most stable is flat like that, and you have probably seen these being used with things like gimbals. And here's mine. You can't see the whole gimbal, but there it is. So this is a Zion 2, well, not version 2, not number 2. And I have put an arc plate on the bottom of it, and now I have it attached to my gimbal and can easily take it off without screwing it on and screwing it off. And then you can use this as kind of an extended handle, but I would say observe caution just in case something does decide to go. So there you go. I can put my gimbal on, and in mere seconds I could go and change over and slip on my small tripod head. And of course you gotta hold it down if you got any degree of friction there. And then I also have a little connector here for my cell phone, and I put a little Arca clamp on the bottom of that, and so I can attach my cell phone to it, and then again I can adjust the height and the angle depending on what I'm doing. So again, you can put microphones on here, you can put flashes on here, put your camera on here, whatever you personally can think of. It's just a really great little tripod. from Pergear, and it only costs less than $10. So it's a seal besides. So, if you like it, I have a link below. Please use that link. I'll get a very small commission and it won't cost you any more. And again, I will also put a link to the Arca plate. Please give me a thumbs up if you can. Subscribe. I will be doing a feature on Arca Swiss style clamps. So again, hope you liked it. Hope it was helpful. Please subscribe and talk to you later. Bye.